And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies could not win their first bilateral series against Pakistan since 1991 as they went down by 6 wickets in the third and deciding one-day international at Providence in Guyana on Tuesday. The Pakistanis, chasing 234 for victory, got to their target with 5.5 overs to spare, with Shoaib Malik bringing up his century with a sixth of the final delivery of the match to end unbeaten on 101. Mohamed Hafiz had earlier made 81. Shannon Gabriel took 2 for 60, while there was a wicket apiece for captain Jason Holder and Ashley Nurse. Earlier, having won the toss and electing to bat, the West Indies posted 233 for 9 of their 50 overs, thanks to half-centuries from Shea Hope and Jason Mohammed. Hope made a top score of 71, while Mohammed followed up his first match heroics with 59 against 2 wickets apiece for Mohammed Amir, Junaid Khan and Shadab Khan. Both teams now turn their attention to their 3-match test series, which begins on April 21 at Sabina Park.